Maybe your background is a boring stock image, or your peripherals lack that certain something. Well, fear not, tech enthusiasts. Because today, we're diving into the world of neon lighting, a fantastic way to add a vibrant pop of personality to your workspace. But before we get lost in the mesmerizing glow, a crucial question arises: how exactly do you install neon signs? It might seem intimidating at first, all those wires and transformers, but worry not. With a little guidance, you can transform your boring desk into a neon wonderland. Now, there are two main types of neon signs to consider: pre-assembled and DIY kits. Pre-assembled signs are fantastic for those who want a hassle-free experience. They come ready to plug in and play, with minimal setup required. However, if you're feeling adventurous and want a bit more customization, DIY kits offer the flexibility to create your own masterpiece. So, we'll be focusing on the installation process for a DIY neon sign kit today. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you dive in, make sure you have everything you need. Most DIY kits will come with the neon light itself, a transformer, mounting screws or hooks, and sometimes even gloves. In addition to the kit, you'll want to have some extra tools on hand, just in case. This might include a screwdriver, Phillips head is most common. A tape measure. A level, to ensure your sign hangs straight. A pencil for marking drill holes, if mounting. A stud finder, optional, but highly recommended if drilling into walls. Step 2. Choose your location. This is where the fun planning begins. Think about where you want your neon masterpiece to shine. Here are some factors to consider. Visibility. Is it a statement piece you want everyone to see, or a subtle accent light? Power source. Make sure there's a nearby outlet to plug in your transformer. Background. A dark wall will make the neon colors pop the most, while lighter backgrounds create a softer effect. Safety. Avoid placing your sign near flammable materials or where it could get easily bumped or damaged. Step 3. Planning your layout for mounted signs. If you're planning to mount your sign on the wall, this is the step to pay close attention to. Use your tape measure and level to mark the exact location for the mounting screws or hooks. Don't forget to utilize that stud finder to ensure you're drilling into a secure spot and not just drywall. Step 4. Assemble the neon sign. Now for the exciting part, putting your sign together. Most DIY kits will have easy-to-follow instructions. Typically, this involves carefully attaching the neon light pieces to a clear backing, ensuring all the connections are secure. Be gentle. Neon tubes are fragile, so handle them with care. Step 5. Connect the transformer. Locate the designated connection point on your neon sign and connect it to the transformer. The transformer typically has a plug on one end that goes into the outlet, and the other end connects to the sign itself. Step 6. Test and mount, optional. Once everything is connected, carefully plug the transformer into the outlet. Voila! Your neon sign should come alive with a vibrant glow. If you opted for a mounted sign, double-check that it's hanging securely before admiring your handiwork. Step 7. Sit back and enjoy. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your very own neon sign. Now, take a moment to appreciate the unique ambience it brings to your space. Feel free to experiment with different lighting arrangements to create the perfect mood. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.